channel. So today I'm here with a new video, which is how to use Canva, like the basics of it. So if you hear any construction voice, sorry to say there's construction going on, so never mind that sound. So let's get started. So Canva is for people who don't know, Canva is like a editing site. We can edit anything over there. Let me show you. So yup. So when we go to Canva, we get this thing. Just type Canva and you get a thing in Google or Chrome or anywhere you want. So yeah. So when we open Canva, we get all these options. So a sec. Yeah. So if you want to just create, first let me show you what and all I created. This is the my channel like logo which I created it, and this was iOS Watch Series 2 tutorial, and these all are like not wanted. So yeah, so first you can press create a design at the right. So if you press that, you get all these options. You can create anything. Suppose I'm creating just a logo. The logo is a normal thing. Just press logo for basics and you get all these options. So first, if you want to make anything out of Canva, like which templates it has or any like it's a Canva suggestions, you can go for templates. And if you want to make your own, you already have a logo and you want to customize it, you can just go to uploads and you can upload anything in this and you can edit it. So yeah, so if you are a beginner, you can just go to Canva suggestions. Let me make like a fashion logo or anything. If you started a clothing or any gaming logo, let me go for gaming. Yeah, so if you like any template, just press it and you get this. You can your logo, your channel logo, the photo of it, the representation, you can just double tap it and delete it, and that's now the fox is gone. You can paste you can copy your logo and paste it over here, so that it'll appear here, and here you can type your channel name. Yeah, so this is pretty basic, so I hope all understood what is that. And let me go for something else. So let me delete it. Sec guys. So if you the very much basic is just press command like control C for copy and control V for pasting in this. You can just try it, even Canva will show it to you. So yeah guys, and if you want to like create your own logo without uploading anything, you can just go to a background. You can select whichever background you want. Like if you're making a fashion logo, you can select some simple or backgrounds like that. Suppose I chose this background, and not only for making logo, you can make anything out of this. So next you want like elements or text or something. So for elements, you can search anything you want. Suppose like I want to make a food chart or something, you can just type food and you'll get all this. These are just elements. And if you want the real photos, you can just go to like photos, and there you can search anything. Yeah, wait, I'll show you guys. So when you do that, you get all these like real images, virtual images, not like the elements one. And this crown represents the professional, the pro, which we have to pay, and other things you can just use it for free. So for the beginners, I hope it's not necessary to yeah, suppose I got this picture. You can like expand it in any way you want. If you want the background to show, you can just press position, and you can do all this like bottom you want, or top, or middle, right, left, and center. So for now, let's just keep it as center. And if you wanna like text something, heading as, just type as food chart or something, like whatever you want, and just align it wherever you want, like this. And you can edit the thing also, like if you are making a video, not only a logo or anything, you can just yeah, this is better. You can even change the color of the text, so let it be black. It's your wish, guys, you can choose anything. When you come to like elements, you can just get the animated one, such as you can just paste it for attraction or anything. You can do whatever you want. So I hope if you like do good in this, you can buy pro and you can become a pro. I hope all to get better. So yeah, you can paste some of the, like these are most of like emojis or something like that, so you can paste. Yeah, this must be good. And you can increase and decrease the size also, guys. So I'm just putting a random just for example. And folders is how you make a folder or you upload a folder in this. It's for your refer, guys. And videos, if you want to make videos, you can make. These are some of the templates given by Canva. So yeah, audios are like, when most of the time when you're making a video, you need like some songs, like like sad songs or creativity songs or anything like that. So let me show you what is animate now. This is like this. You can even make it animated in a logo also, not even only in a video. You can do it like this. It'll be just like a 8 or 10 seconds video. See, this is none, block is like that. So yeah, this is like this. Photo animations is like, yeah, this is better. So when you finish doing something, you can just press download and it will get downloaded, guys. So yeah, MP4 video, you can choose a file type, high quality, and also the suggested one is MP4 video. So if you press download, it will get downloaded without money or pro or anything. It's just free, guys, so you can try it. So yeah, it's downloading right now. It needs like 2 to 5 minutes for downloading. If it's a big file, then it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to download. So yeah, after this downloads, let me show you a next video. So yeah, so no need the link, I don't need the link. So yeah, let's just go back. You have so many options by Canva, guys. So if you want, you can create a presentation, even Instagram post, or a business card, or anything you want. And most requested was newsletter, which is also available now. And anything, every option is there. So when you like start using Canva, you feel like it's however you want, it is given in this, like such options. But I don't feel so in other editing apps such options are given. So yeah, I hope you like this app, and I mean the website, and start using it. And I hope it's helpful for you, and even this video is helpful for you. So yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoy my video, hope it's helpful, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.